This is my December monthly update for the Panning Cats and Dogs Project Pan that was created by Deb B and Danny from Danny's Makeup. I will have both of their channels linked down below so that you can go check them out. I will also have all of the information you need in the event that you're interested in joining this panning project. This is a rolling style project that is due on the 22nd of each month. I am a few days late because sometimes things just happen and you have to jump in where you are. This panning project was developed for our beautiful loving pets that we love so much. I don't have any dogs. I would love to have a dog, but I have 4 cats in my house. 4. And they are just like my kids and act worse than kids, and I love all 4 of them to death. So let's get right into the products that I have, how I've done, whether I'm rolling anything out, rolling anything in, all the things. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. So I have 5 products. 3 of them I rolled in October and 2 of them I rolled in November. I'm not sure if I'm rolling anything out. We're going to start with my lashes. OMG. These are the Doter half lashes. I love these lashes. They are so pretty. They are extremely easy to put on. And as you can see, none of them are missing from out of the package. I used these once, but I have a pair that are over there in my lash drawer. So I had rolled these in for the prompt best of breed with a usage goal of 15. That was in October, and I've used them once. So we'll be putting those back in the basket. I am going to get that done because I do love them. It's just, I am the queen of excuses, I have realized with all of these panning projects, but when I'm getting ready for work in the morning, I got to learn how to get up early, y'all, because when I'm getting ready for work, I'm just not, I don't have enough time to be putting on lashes, even though they're easy. These are easy, but I don't have time. That is an oxymoron, makes absolutely no sense. Anyway, moving on to number 2. Is the LYS Natural Finish Skin Loyalty Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. I rolled this in for the prompt St. Bernard, which was something that saves your makeup. And I put this in for 20 uses in October. And I'm looking over here at my spreadsheet. And let's see. I have used it 15 times. So I have 5 more times to go. So that will be staying in my defense. I did not, there were quite a few times in the month of December that I did not put on any makeup. I believe in November as well because I had some things going on. It was a whole thing. But Leanna's back in town. So we'll just, I'm setting that over there so that I can continue to work on it. The next prompt was cat litter, and that's something that makes a mess. And so I pulled out these sheet masks because they're very messy, and also because I don't use these as much as I should. I picked 5 masks and was going to use them all, and that was in October, and I have used 2. I still have 3 more to go, so those are going to be put back in the basket. And I do like to use sheet mask. That means that I need to pamper myself more. The next prompt was Corgi, which is a gel product or something that jiggles. So I rolled in the Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads because they are gel pads. There are 10 packs in this tin, and I have used 7. I have 3 more to go. And I love these. Again, I keep saying I love all these things, but I'm not using them. These are amazing to put on your under eye when you go to bed, and they will stay there all night. They're really, really good. And I got these very cheap on BoxyCharm, and I bought quite a lot of them, so I need to get them used up. Going back in the basket. And the last prompt was treats, and that was something that you purchased to treat yourself. And so I pulled in this Truly Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter. And I had that in for 10 uses, and I've used it 8 times. And you can see that I have been using it. And it smells absolutely amazing. And I have decided that I like it. But the good thing is that I can, once I'm done with my 10 uses, I can give this to my daughter, which I had pretty much bought this for her anyway because she loves anything rose scented. She loves roses. It's sticky, and I don't like how it makes my skin. I mean, my skin feels really soft, but it feels sticky, and I don't like that. It's too thick, too heavy, and too sticky, and yeah, I'm not a fan. But I have got to use it 2 more times. 2 more times, yes, because I used it 8 times. 2 more times. So I'm putting it back in my basket, and then I will roll that out next time and pass it on to my daughter, who will absolutely love it. So since I have a couple of products that I'm almost done with, I'm going to go ahead and roll in 3 more products. I'm going to be bold because I'm going to finish those fairly quickly, and I don't want to go a whole month without continuing to use some products. So let's pull 3 more. You want to? Let's do it. Number 26, which is Sharpay, and the next one. I need to speed that up so it'll go a little bit faster. Poodle. Husky. Alright, I'm going to look to see what these are, pull the products, and I'll be right back. For prompt number 15, which was Husky, that is a product that is loud, a bold color or loud packaging, and that credit goes to Taru, I hope I'm saying that right, at Cruelty Free Panner. And so I picked this Shantico Beauty Twilight Multichrome Eyeshadow. It is a beautiful blue, purple. You can't really see it in the pan. See there, it's blue, but when I look at it, it's purple. I don't know if I can get it to shift. Let me do a little swatchy swatch. Oh. There's the blue, and I cannot get it to go purple. And that's kind of, it's like a brown purple. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade. And I am going to put that in for 5 uses. Number 21, which was Poodle, and that's a product that makes you feel high maintenance, a bougie item in your collection. And I'm going to go with this Dolce & Gabbana The Only One perfume. Now, can you see the dust? And this is why we're doing panning projects right here, because I have this expensive bottle of perfume, this bougie bottle of perfume that I am not using, and it is a beautiful product. It smells so good, and I am going to put this in for 20 uses, and there's number one. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. So I'm excited. I'm excited about that. Number 26 was Sharpay, a skincare product that combats wrinkles. And I just received this as a gift from Lancome. And this is the Regenerate, am I pronouncing that right? Lift Multi-Action Night Cream. It is a firming anti-wrinkle night cream, and I have not used it. I just got it. I'm super excited about it. So that smells really good too. And I am going to put this in for 10 uses because I'm not sure how it's going to play with my other skincare. That's always the problem about doing skincare. Did I say I was doing this 20 uses? 19 now because I used it once. So I'm super excited to roll something in. When I thought about recording this, and I was like, I'm not rolling out anything, but I will be rolling those out. And so they will be gone, and I will be using these new products. So I'm super excited. I really do love these panning projects. Even if some of the things I'm not getting done, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Jump in where you are. Jump in where you are, and you just keep on going. Just keep on going. So thank you so much to Deb and Danny for creating this product. Thank you so much to Deb and Danny for creating this project. It's super exciting. I absolutely love it. Make sure that you go check out their YouTube channels and watch their panning videos. They are panning experts. They do a lot of panning stuff. Before you go check them out, make sure you show that like button some love. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. There's a whole lot of shenanigans that happen over here. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip from your mama. Embrace the messy bun. It is the perfect hairstyle when you're busy perfecting your makeup. Of course, I don't know how you're going to do that because you don't have enough hair to make a bun. Maybe we'll get you a cap with a nice poof on it, okay? You can pretend. Mama loves you, boo.